Step 1. Create an account on a crypto exchange. Phantom doesn't support direct withdrawals to a bank account. So you'll need to use a crypto exchange like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, or Bitpanda. Sign up and complete identity verification. Step 2. Swap tokens to SOL. If you hold other tokens in your PhantomWallet, swap them to SOL using the built-in swap feature. Most exchanges only accept native Solana tokens. Step 3. Send SOL to the exchange. Go to your exchange account, choose Deposit and select Solana. Copy the wallet address. Then, open Phantom, tap Send, paste the address, enter the amount, and confirm. The transfer usually takes just a few seconds. Step 4. Sell SOL for euros. Once your SOL arrives, sell it for euros on the exchange. Just go to Trade or Sell, select SOL, and confirm the transaction. Step 5. Link your bank account. Now link your bank account to the exchange. Most platforms will ask for a small test deposit, like €5, to verify ownership. Step 6. Withdraw euros to your bank. Go to the Withdraw or Cash Out section, select euros, enter the amount, and confirm. The bank transfer usually takes between a few minutes and up to 3 business days.